Hey guys, today we're going to change out the impeller on this Suzuki oil injection 55 horse motor. Ordered the parts here from Amazon. Here's the new impeller, and then the bottom plate and the gasket that goes with it. This is about 25 bucks. So we got one long bolt there, and then are the other three? The other three are the same size. Yep. Okay, so we got one long one, and that goes right in there.
Yep, starting at the back of the motor.
Okay, back. Okay.
Working forward.
Working forward, got it. All right, this is the left side of the motor, and the front side is long. Right up in here. Yep. There's a fastener too.
I knew that was happening. The prop's stuck too.
Went ahead and took the prop off. And we twisted those bolts off there. Trying to get this lower half off still. Does not want to come off because it's all corroded right in there. That's the problem right here. Almost got it off. Okay, so we did pop this off here. So gasket so you can access. Bolt down there, 12 millimeter. Right down there. Tip of my finger, loosening that up so I can hook the shift link. Just take these 4 bolts off?
Yeah.
Okay.
These tabs are just about ready to break off.
Oh, okay.
It actually doesn't look as bad as I thought it was gonna.
We're keeping track of the orientation here. This is exactly how it came off.
This cotter pin?
Uh-huh.
Look here.
Oh yeah, gotcha.
It goes here, you gotta pull it before you can get the plate off.
Okay.
The kit came with a new plate, right?
Kit here, what are we looking for? Right here?
There's no gasket. I'm gonna clean that up. That's how that went.
Cotter pin. Here's the old impeller. You can see, I'll just set it right here. You can see these things are about ready to bust off. I mean, that was kind of the need to change it. It wasn't pumping the water up there like it should because these things are just too old and corroded and just wasn't getting the suction. Alright, there's a Suzuki DT-55. Supposed to be pissing like this. Come on. Means the impeller's running good. You don't get this kind of flow out of it. That's nice and hot. Got the bumps on there. Anyway, when you're traveling, put that down and then rest it on that thing. Up higher. This needs to go right up here. There we go. That way, it's not resting on the hydraulic, it's resting on this.